Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're talking fragrances. AFNAN Supremacy Collector's Edition. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. This is a new acquisition. I just wanted to unbox this on camera. I guess first impression takes on this. So let's get to it. This has been hyped to be a high quality cheapie. So about to put it to the test and see what it's saying. Typical AFNAN packaging. As much as I try not to get too caught up in bottle design or packaging, I have to admit that this is a really beautiful bottle design with the speckle. It's got the speckle design on it. Sort of reminds me of my Jordan 4 cements. Yeah, this gray and black design. It's really classy. Looks very elegant and quite expensive actually. ARMAF really did a good job on this one. I'm gonna spray this on the tester strip. See what it's saying. Quick spray on the tester strip. Right, so this features notes of pineapple, bergamot, white flowers, apple, orange blossom, birch, amber, musk in the base, oak moss, and ambergris. When you first spray it on, you definitely pick up on that pineapple and pick up a little bit on that bergamot. It is quite a woodsy, however it's said. One thing's for sure is that they used a lot of quality ingredients in this one. And I can tell performance-wise, this isn't gonna be a slouch. The way it's just popping off the skin already, I don't think this is one you're gonna have to leave to sit for a bit. There is a slight difference to the Club de Nuit Précieux, but I'll get into that when I do the comparison video. I'm gonna be wearing both of them on separate occasions, wearing them together, comparing to see which one's best, and I might come back and give you my take. This is supposed to be a quick unboxing, so I'm not gonna drag this too long, trying to get into notes and everything. We'll do that in the review. All right, peace.